In this video, in previous tutorial, we'll be looking at trigonometry. Now, trigonometry, mainly, I'm not going to start from the introduction. I'm going to go direct into the main concepts. So, mainly deals with the SOHCAHTOA, and SOHCAHTOA has got three parts: this part here, and this part. So this part is for sine theta, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and C is for cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, and T is for tangent, also known as tan theta, which is equal to opposite over the adjacent. So I draw this triangle here so that you can know which one is hypotenuse, which one is opposite, which one is adjacent. So the opposite side is a side where the angle is pointing. As long as you know that, then the longest is the hypotenuse. Then whatever remains becomes the adjacent. So usually opposite goes with the angle. So from there we can go to the main business, which is the cosine law. The cosine law is given by this formula. It says a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Now the a that we're talking about here is the angle. And this, I just gave an example. If you have a triangle that has sides A, B, C. So when you do this one becomes your side B. When you do that, this one becomes your side A. When you do that, this one becomes your side C. That's what you must do. The big letters represent angles. So I have this example that says find side AB. So I'm finding side AB, and in short, side AB is just C, and this is B, and this is just A. So I'm finding side C in short. So I know that I'm finding C squared, which is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB. I'll have to use the same ones. Then cos C. Therefore, to find C, I must have the angle for C, which is this I had been given. So I have to say A. Don't follow the steps I'm writing. So I'm going to say A is 5 meters squared plus B is 3 meters squared minus 2. A is 5, B is 3. Then cos C is just cos 65 degrees. 5 squared is 25 meter squared. There's C squared here, plus this is 9 meter squared. 5 times 3, we get 15. 15 times 2, we get 30. So that is 30 cos 65 degrees. So C squared here will be equal to, so 25 plus 9, you get 34 meters squared minus. So now we need to work on this. We have cos 65, all right, times 30. This is giving me 12.67854.785. So please make sure you write all of it. You only round off at the final answer. So C squared is equal to, so this now minus that. So 34. So we have 34. So this was 34 minus. So it's giving me this. And because there's a square here, you need to square root both sides, so that you can remain with just C. So C is equal to the square root. So the square root is 4.62 meter square. Let's look at this other one. Look at this one. We've been told to find Km. Now this is just N. This is just K, and that is just M. So Km is just side n. So n squared is equal to m squared plus k squared, understand, minus 2mk cos what? Cos n, like that. Now, do we have angle n? Angle n we don't have, but we know that angles in a triangle, they add up to 180. So to find this angle here, we have to say this plus this plus this to find us. So we're saying x plus 47 plus 52 should give us 180. So we are saying 47 plus 52, that's 99. Then minus 180, that's 81. So x is equal to 81, and that's the angle that we are looking for. So n squared is equal to m is 7 kilometer squared plus 5 kilometer squared minus 2, 7 times 5, and cos 81. So this is 49 plus 25, though that's 35 times 2, you get 70 cos 81. Therefore, 49 plus 25, you get 74 kilometer squared minus 70 cos 81. Therefore, this is n squared, by the way. So n squared is equal to, so now we just need to find the difference. So this is 74 kilometer squared minus, so cos 81 times 70, you are getting 10.95041,255. Therefore, n squared is equal to, you now have to find the difference, minus 74. Okay, we are getting 63.0495875 kilometers squared. Now to remain with n, you need to square root both sides. So you cancel. So n is equal to square root of 63.04958,745. That will give you 7.94 kilometers. Therefore, the km which they are looking for is just 7.94 kilometers. That's all I had for today. So thank you so much for following. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Bill Tutor.